Let's go get something to eat. I know a place nearby. Let's go. Goop, goop, goop. He has flashbacks again. From the Vietnam War, I guess. Okay. Actually, we call it an American war. Our country was then divided into Democratic South and Communist North. There was a lot of chaos. The Americans have decided to intervene and merge the Communist and Democratic part in a single state. Johnny! They are in the trees! In the trees! They are in the trees, Johnny! In the trees! There's nobody there! Calm down! Let's go somewhere else, please. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. The new video is already on the channel.